Hello everyone. This is my Christmas video. This is the last one for this year. It's going to be plain and simple. And I'm going to use as much natural things as I possibly can. I kind of don't want it to be over the top this year. I just want a little bit of just a touch of Christmas, which is what I've been putting in my videos lately. So what I'm going to do, earlier I gathered pine cones for you guys, and then I showed you how I painted them and showed you how I decorated them. And then I decided to go to the Dollar Tree and get 2 of their little trees. And I don't want to put too much on them, and I like that they're kind of skimpy because they look like the trees that grow in the woods. They're all different, but they're all perfect. So this one, I just bought a silver gift box and took the top off of the gift box and then stuck the little tree down inside of the gift box. And all you have to do, I know you have plenty of plastic bags, or you may have some rocks or whatever, and just sit that in there. It really wasn't that hard. It didn't tumble over. And then on this one, if you can see, I have a little metal pail that I bought years ago. I use it in the summer. And I took this little tree and did the same thing. Stuck it inside, and then I stuffed some plastic grocery bags down inside. That's a good way to use your bags. Now, those of you who watch me know that I like to use things throughout the season. So Halloween has come and gone, but I am still using my pumpkins that I DIY'd along with my Christmas. And because they're eggshell, you cannot tell the difference. They blend in very well on my lace doilies. These will stay up the entire winter. They're fine for winter decor when you take your trees down. And then on this side, I have my little gnome. I showed you with pine cones. I showed you my gnome. And behind my gnome is another eggshell pumpkin. That will stay up as long as it's cold. And then behind that, you can see my little glitter tree. I've had it for years and years. And every year I'll buy like a couple of ornaments after Christmas that are on sale. I highly doubt that you'll find anything after Christmas now. People are really grabbing things up, and I mean everything, before they can even put it out. Now, if you find yourself in a situation where you need some last minute ornaments, you don't have enough, or you want to just try some DIYs, or you want to use them for gifts, I have made some ornaments, and I have showed you. I keep them in a Ziploc bag, just like you would do your ornaments that you purchase from the store. And then they turn out. I paint the back because you don't want your ornament to have a covering on the front and nothing on the back. But you don't want to put this tinsel on the back and it rub off on your tree. So I started making 6 of those. And then I realized that I needed a few more. So I ended up with 12. And this is what I used. Just a cracker box, and I cut it. And then I took my scissors and I made the shape of an ornament. I didn't measure it. I took some tinsel. Both kind. And this is how my ornaments turned out. 12 of these. That will finish off your tree if you don't have enough. They'll make lovely gifts. I'm not going to put anything on my skimpy trees. I'm just putting that there so you can see it. But they turn out fine. Now, I also showed you where I went out and I got some pine cones. You may be lucky enough to live near a tree where the pine cones fall off. And what I did with those, I painted them. I don't know if you can see these. I don't want to knock my trees over. But I painted those different colors and added a little bit of silver, a little bit of tinsel, and I set that on the floor. As I said this year, I'm going with a natural, more natural Christmas. So what I'm going to use is the plain pine cones. Even has the pine tag still stuck there. And I love nature, by the way. And this little box that I'm placing them in, I got this 3 or 4 years ago at the Dollar Tree. And I use it for Halloween and I use it for Christmas. And I probably will use it for Easter. So there's my natural Christmas trees. And I think they're adorable. And then the ones that I painted. Let's see. The ones I painted right here with some tinsel and some Christmas balls. But I really wasn't feeling that. I'm really feeling these. Sorry. My little stand wants to do what it wants to do. And it has you crooked. So I'm trying to use things that can be used after Christmas. I'm all about saving $1 because you can use that money for something that you really need, where things come up all the time. So that is my mission, to save money and to give you ideas and help you save money. So these things can be used all winter. You can leave your little trees up if you don't have anything on them, or you can save them for Easter and put your Easter decorations on them. So they'll be good for you all year. Another thing, I have a larger tree, but trees never really look that pretty on camera. And it's kind of tall, so I decided I purchased these gift bags during the summer, and they're gold. And when I bought them, I didn't know what I was going to do with them. It just was a good deal, and being a crafter, I knew I could find something. And then, of course, I make my bows. So I decided that I was going to place the bow on my gift bag, hang it on my tree, on my tall tree. So you see, again, with the same theme, use what we have, make what we can. Someone gave me a gift card. I didn't know what I was going to get with it. And then I went in the store and I found this. Little handheld sewing machine. Adorable. And then I was watching the Mommy Miracle, and it turns out she had just purchased a little, I don't think it's a hand sewing machine, but it's a small sewing machine that she can get a lot done with. And this one has a little foot pedal. I thought it was adorable. So I'm glad someone thought enough of me to give me that gift card. Now, family, there was a lot more that I wanted to do today. There's one more thing I want to show you about ornaments, making ornaments. Let's say you wanted to make one for your porch. And you don't want to worry about the weather and it getting messed up. This is just, hold on. This came from the Dollar Tree, and you know what that is? It's a liner. It's a pie plate liner. And I put a string on it. And I can certainly use that outside. Or I can use it inside. It doesn't matter. So those are just some ideas. I'm having a little, things want to fall, but that's all right because I have to get this stuff back in order. I'm going to leave my little trees up. But I'm going to get this in order. So I hope you like this. I did want to play some music for you today, but I don't want to get a copy strike. I have a CD that I play sometime from Sister Ransom, who allowed me to use that. And I'm so appreciative to her. I don't have to worry about that when I play her music. And all the voices on there are from Galilee Baptist Church in Baltimore, Maryland. Reverend Wilson is the pastor and his lovely wife for the First Lady. Beautiful voices, and I have permission to play that whenever I like for my audience. But I do have something I want you to listen to. No copyright strike here. And I'm wishing you all a very happy holiday. And I wish I could have made this a little longer with a little celebration for the Lord. I'm not exactly sure when his birthday was. We don't know. But this is the time of the year that we celebrate it. And that's all I need to know. Okay, family. Here's one little thing. Poem. These demons really make me go hard, constantly attacking my God, the creator of everything, good and great, and still consistently showing him hate. It only makes me love him more. I ask this question. I need to know who sent you. Something's off for sure. He's the reason you exist, the reason you excel. Can't honestly believe you elevate yourself. Yes, the word has been manipulated, just like everything else. But don't get it twisted. God's people know him best. Dedicated to the Most High, to the awesome creator of everything. Written by Nicole and Entourage. Amen. Amen, family. Written by yours truly, Nicole and Entourage, and I mean every word from my heart. I shall always worship him and always give him the praise, the Most High, the creator of everything. I wish you a very, very happy holiday. And do not forget, save your money, use what you have, look around your house, you have more than you know, go outside, get some sticks, wrap them in foil, put a red bow around them, make a beautiful bundle, make Christmas ornaments, buy food, buy water, get your medication, buy things you don't have to cook, get heat, get prepared for the winter. So what if you have extra food? So what if you have extra paper goods? It's better to have it than not have it. I'm wishing you all the best. The Most High is always taking care of us. I love you all dearly. If you like the channel, if you would like to see more, as I am a small YouTuber, I do not upload every week, but I do send out short videos. I try to do that within a 2-week span. And then I try to do a longer one. That's usually monthly. So, dear family, if you like it, friends, visitors, leave any comment you want, and please subscribe. Take care, family. I love you dearly. I shall return. Happy holidays. Nicole and Entourage.